This isn't dust. It's one of the smallest seeds on Earth, and it could become a breathtaking orchid.
Some orchid seeds are so tiny that thousands could fit on your fingertip. Unlike most seeds, these contain almost no stored food. Without enough food, survival seems almost impossible. Their tiny size allows the wind to carry them incredible distances. But landing safely is only the beginning. The seed must find a special fungus hidden in the soil. The fungus feeds the seed until it can survive on its own. Only then does the first tiny shoot appear. The young orchid grows slowly, collecting energy from sunlight. Many orchids take years before producing their first flower. Finally, one of nature's most beautiful flowers appears. The flower now attracts insects to continue the cycle. Some orchids even trick insects into pollinating them. One orchid can release millions of tiny seeds. The wind carries the next generation across the forest. From a seed smaller than dust comes one of Earth's most extraordinary flowers. Sometimes the greatest wonders begin with the smallest start. Can create such beauty.